All right, welcome to part 3 of how to wire a three-way switch circuit. And you can check the show description for the list of tools that will be required. And don't forget, as always, put on your safety glasses. In the last video, we learned how to bring power into our first switch, run it through our 3-wire and back, and then up to the light. So in this third video, we are learning today how to bring power into the first one, go through to the second one, and then up to the light. So this way here is a little more complicated than the last two, because in the last two, we only ran power through this. Our hot lines came back through, where in this case, we have to carry our neutral wire through. So that's going to change up our colors a little bit. So here's our first switch where the power comes in. And right off the bat, we have to get our ground wires mounted. So I have this one mounted already, and that's a red Robertson. Make sure it is tight. It's tight. And then we're going to twist our wires, our 2 wires. We only have 2 cables here. So let's get them twisted up. And for 2 ground wires, we generally don't need a wire connector. So I'm going to tuck that fella in the back. So our power comes up on this guy here. So we have our hot wire and we have our neutral. So our neutral has to carry all the way through. And once again, the trick to doing 3-way switches is knowing which one is your common wire. So because the power has to go through, we have to carry that neutral all the way through. So right off the bat, the white wire in the 3-wire line is automatically going to be designated as our neutral. So we have to tie these 2 together. Strip our wires about 1 inch, 3/4, 1 inch. Take our linesman pliers and twist these guys together. Add our wire nut, nice and tight, and tuck him in the back. So now we're only left with 3 wires. So we have our common wire coming in. Our hot wire is going to be our common wire in this case. And now the red and the black are now going to be our travelers. Because once again, we have to carry the neutral all the way through. Get our wires ready. Strip them off. Put a hook in. Just like that. Strip these guys. Here's our 3-way switch. The black screw is always your common screw. The 2 gold are for your travelers. So we know this one has automatically been designated as our common wire. So it has to go on the black screw. Green Robertson, putting the loop on in the direction you're going to be tightening up your screw. Nice and tight, but don't break your switch. The other 2 guys, you just pick one, put it on this guy or this guy. And for anybody who's OCD, let's just keep our black wires on the same side. Green Robertson once again. There we go. We'll leave him out for a recap. Now we're at our second switch. Once again, let's get our bond wires tied in. Wrap him around the screw. Red Robertson to tighten it down. Twist these 2 guys together. Twisting wires, we use our linesman pliers. Push him in the back. From our first switch, once again, this is now has been designated a neutral wire. These 2 are our travelers. So we're going to continue this guy straight through right up to our light fixture, because you don't switch your neutral. Take our wire strippers, about 1 inch. Linesman pliers for the twisting. And once again, I assume that you learned how to twist wires and strip wires at this point. Add your wire connector. Twist it nice and tight. And then he goes right in the back. Now, because these two guys are travelers, we have one more wire left that's going to go up to the light. That's the common for this side of the circuit. So we're ready to attach our switch now. All right, about an inch of wire. Not quite, I guess. There you go. Put your hooks in. So once again, black screw is for our common and the gold are for our travelers. And we already designated our red and black as our through our wire as our travelers. And this is our common going to go up to our light. So we can get him mounted now with our green Robertson. And it doesn't matter which side you put these wires on, but we'll just keep our light colors together. Some people like it fancy that way. Whoops, make it nice and tight. Just don't break your switch. And then we'll recap our circuit. Power comes in on this side. Neutral has to carry all the way through to our circuit up to the light. So we tuck him in the back. The power wire coming in goes on the common side of our first switch. And then because we only have red and black left over, that's our travelers all the way through. Go on to our traveler side of our second switch. And we only have one more wire left, and that guy's going to go up to the light. Using your green Robertson, get your switches mounted to your boxes and your flathead screwdriver to mount your plates. Now we have the power coming up from our second switch. We just have to mount our light fixture. Get your ground wire installed on your screw. Using your red Robertson to tighten it down. Get your wires ready for your light fixture. Don't need loops in these ones. Get your light fixture. If it has a ground wire, attach your ground wire. And then it's just the light colors. White to white. Nice and tight. And then your black wire on your black wire. Nice and tight. Get your wires in there. Tucked in the back. You don't want any wires hanging off the side. Line up your screw holes with your box. And then tighten up with your red Robertson. Unless, of course, you're using the screws that came with your light fixture, and they could be Phillips. And if you wired it correctly, then you can turn on one, turn it off with the other, and keep going. All right, if you got value out of this, would you please consider liking and subscribing, and don't forget to come back for more videos.